Bandito! First woman, okay.
Yeah.
And I'm 16, I go to Mansfield High School, and this is my first half marathon. It was hard. I kind of started off too fast, but it was a good experience and I had a lot of fun. It felt good. Good have fun.
Was it as hard as you thought it would be, or harder, or what?
It was kind of harder. It took a long time. The time went by kind of slow, but it was fun.
How about the hills on the course? How much?
Oh, those were hard. I almost had to walk. It hurt my legs. That killed me.
So what do you run? What distance do you run in high school?
Girls only run 2 miles, like cross country. I do the mile and 2 mile track.
You got any other long runs coming up? Races?
Not that I planned on. I want to do another half marathon sometime.
You could do Cowtown. You could do Cowtown half marathon.
Yeah, my coach won't let me.
You go to the 5K there, or
yeah, something like that.
yeah. Okay, great. What grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
Junior.